Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto. Hope you're all doing well and looking forward to your weekend. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a brief market update and I'm going to be doing that in the Metaverse. So I've got my controllers and my Oculus headset and I'll see you in there. Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto, and we are back in the Metaverse for the second time to do a market update for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to get into that right now. So the market cap as it stands is at 1.74 trillion. It's up 3.77% over the last day. Okay, and there are a couple of projects that I really want to mention that have stood out to me over the last week. But we'll start off with Bitcoin. It's at 37.4K. It has not really moved much over the 24-hour and 7-day. Ethereum is one to mention, okay? So it's up 7% today. It's up 15% in the last 7 days. It was up nearly 20% this morning. Okay, it's at $2,785 as it stands. Then I want to move on to BNB at $373. Again, not really much movement. Cardano, it's at $1.05, not much movement. Solana, another one that's been moving back up over $100. And again, this one was up nearly 20% this morning. It's up 14.61% on the 7-day. It's up nearly 7% on the 24-hour. XRP is another one that's not really moved much. It's at 60 cents. Luna's at $49.37. Again, not a great deal of movement up 2% for the day. Polkadot moved a little bit better. It's at $19, up 4.25% for the 24 hours. It's up 6.63% on the 7-day, and that covers our top 10. But AVAX is up about 10% on the 7-day. It's up 6.6% on the 24-hour. It's at $70. And the other ones to mention that I was quite impressed with the movement on were, where are you at? Decentraland Mana. This is up 17% on the 7-day. It was up about over 20% earlier today. Okay, and also Hedera Hashgraph. It's up 14.82% on the 7-day. These projects are quality, and there's been good news about them. Okay, I'm really impressed with Phantom. I'm also really impressed with Near Protocol and Cosmos. So these projects, the ones that I've just sort of highlighted and mentioned, Matic's another one, Polygon, Avalanche, Avax, Polkadot, Luna, Solana, Cardano, Ethereum. These are the projects, in my opinion, where you're going to see continuous growth as time goes on in this marketplace because they're solving a problem and they're very good at what they do. Now, as I said, it's only going to be a brief market update, and I hope you guys all have a fantastic weekend. But I do want to come on to some news. I'm going to start off with really positive news and then come on to some news that isn't so positive. So, okay, Manchester United Football Club have unveiled 20 million per year training kit sponsorship with blockchain platform Tezos. This is a massive deal, guys, okay? Tezos is a blockchain. It is huge in the NFT world. They've signed a deal with Manchester United Football Club to be the sponsor. Now, what's important to highlight here is Manchester United have subsequently held discussions with other companies, including several in the blockchain space, and are now due to unveil a major deal with Tezos. Tezos, which is underpinned by the Tezos Foundation, is a blockchain or type of decentralized computing network like Ethereum. To advocates, blockchains like Tezos could be a way to carry out computerized transactions more efficiently than current technology and help to remove expensive middlemen from the process. Now, the other thing to highlight here, guys, is the people that they're talking to, including Tezos, right? If they get involved in the metaverse, which in my opinion is inevitable it could be huge for these projects, whichever project it is they choose to work with. And the fact that they've already got a deal with Tezos, it kind of gives you a bit of an indicator, doesn't it? But another thing that's really important to mention here as well is the other deals that Tezos have got. I mean, Tezos has also become a sponsor of McLaren Racing across Formula One, IndyCar, and esports. All right. Now, you don't get involved with Red Bull Racing Honda. You don't get involved with McLaren Racing, Formula One, IndyCar, and esports. And you certainly don't get involved with Manchester United Football Club, with good old Ronaldo, unless you're a project that is going places. And Tezos are going places. And you should keep an eye on them too. So, moving on to some not so good news. Okay. More than 320 million stolen in latest apparent hack. Solana. Big hack. Scary. CNBC, you know what you're doing, but you're extremely naughty. Now, why would they have a massive Solana thing here? Okay. If it's not Solana. Okay. One of the most popular bridges linking the Ethereum and Solana blockchains, keyword there. One of the most popular bridges linking the Ethereum and Solana blockchains lost more than $320 million Wednesday afternoon in an apparent hack. Okay, now I've already shared information and my thoughts about this to our inner circle and on our free Discord, but ultimately this is the company. They're called Wormhole. Okay, Wormhole is a protocol that lets users move their tokens and NFTs between Solana and Ethereum. Okay, it's nothing to do with Solana. It's nothing to do with Ethereum. Neither of those two projects were hacked. Wormhole is where the issue lay, and Wormhole were the people that got hacked. All right. Now, this has since been patched already. Okay, but it's just really important to highlight how the news and the media decide to make things look really, really bad for certain projects with certain titles. Okay, and it does bug me. And when you start to think about it, where are all of the news stories, okay, about the billions of dollars that are being hacked with the pound and the dollar and the euro and the yuan and everything else that's out there? Okay, this is new technology, and people like Solana are getting tarred with a brush, and I don't like it because Solana is a top project and Ethereum is too. It's a shame about gas fees, but ultimately both of these projects are laying foundations for the future that we are going to live in, and I don't like these news stories doing what they're doing. Anyway, moving on from that because my rant is now over. Okay, so another news story that I think you guys should check out, and you should also check out CoinDesk. They're an extremely good resource. Okay, it's coindesk.com. Who's using the Metaverse? Poker players in Decentraland. Decentral Games Casino has made $7.5 million in revenue over the past 3 months, with daily user counts topping 5,000. And believe me, this is early days. This is a project that's worth looking at, guys, if you're not looking at it already. In a metaverse often criticised for being devoid of things to do, the poker tables in Decentraland's Ice Poker virtual casino have never been busier. The play-to-earn poker platform from Decentral Games is hosting around 6,000 unique players per day, which makes up more than 30% of Decentraland's daily users. In the past 3 months, the game has generated more than $7.53 million through its various income streams, according to Decentral Games founder Miles Anthony. Okay, so at any given time, we have over 1,000 players playing poker, Anthony told CoinDesk in an interview. It doesn't sound like a lot of users, but when it comes to the open metaverse, it's pretty substantial, considering the main issue right now with metaverses is that they're empty. So that is another huge sign to everybody that think about how early we are. there aren't many people actually even using this yet. The idea of it and being wowed by, whoa, this is so cool. That's the starting point. That's innovation. That is the number one time to get involved if you're an investor, because what you don't want to do is jump into it when there's already millions of people using it and the price of that particular project has gone all the way into space up here. So these are the times when you want to be looking at where the hype is, where the growth sectors are likely to be, and then finding quality projects that are on top of their game at the moment, no pun intended, that you can get involved with. And don't forget, guys, this is not financial advice. As I always tell you, it's purely educational. These are opinions of my own, and it's for entertainment and educational purposes only. But as you can see here, it looks pretty cool. You can go in, you can play poker, you can choose your avatar, whatever you want to be, and you can interact and pay, real life poker in the metaverse and earn money. Pretty cool. Okay. So, and that's just one of many, many, many things that you can do in Decentraland. I have done videos about Decentraland previously. Okay. So guys, if you have enjoyed watching this video in the metaverse, please give me a thumbs up. And likewise, if you guys have taken any useful information from this video, please let me know about it down in the comments below. And make sure as well, guys, if you haven't already, come and join our free Discord, okay? This is where you will get tons of information. You can book appointments with us. There are frequently asked questions. There are announcements, security and safety in crypto. So we keep you guys safe. There are useful links. You can learn more about the services that we offer. We let you know about the latest crypto events, information and news in the metaverse. We've got our own personal blog. There's an area just for fun if you want to have a laugh and a joke. We've got our investing general chat, news and articles, video market updates, our inner circle, up and coming projects, our wealth management circle. We have our trading area so you can learn how to trade the markets. We have a video library. We share voice notes. We've got our NFT service with Paul TM, where there's an NFT general chat, NFT drops and info, Tez NFTs, the NFT inner circle, our giveaway and whitelist area. And then you've got the voice channels here with the community hangout, where we do our live AMAs, normally on a Friday at 6 p.m. So guys, it's completely free. The link's in the description. You know what to do. Make sure you click it. Get involved. Come and talk to us. Learn more about this amazing space. And I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. I will catch up with you in the next one. Take care.